Welcome students in our today's online English class. Today we are going to study a lesson for the students of ninth class. Our today's topic is a poem. The name of the poem is No Men Are Foreign, written by James Kirkup, and the poem was published in 1966. The main theme of the poem is universal brotherhood. So let us begin the poem. I'm going to explain it to you, and in the end of the poem, we will study some literary devices used in the poem. So let us begin the poem. Remember, no men are strange, no country is foreign. Beneath all uniforms, a single body breathes, like ours. The land our brothers walk upon is earth like this, in which we all shall lie. As you know, the theme of the poem is universal brotherhood. Here, poet says that the whole world is one and we all are brothers. So, in this stanza, the poet asks us to remember that no person is strange and no countries are foreign. People living in another country may have different culture, different food habits, different religion, but they all are our brothers. Here in this second line, beneath means under and uniform stands for the uniform of army in different countries. So here he says the soldiers stood in the borders of country. They breathe like us. They have same blood. They can feel same pain like us. The land our brothers walk upon is earth like this. Here he says that we all share a common land which we walk upon. We all are brothers. We live together in this earth and we shall die on the same earth one day. Let's move on to next stanza. They too aware of sun and air and water are fed by peaceful harvest, by war's long winter starved. Their hands are ours and in their lines we read a labor not different from our own. Here they refers to foreigners. So here poet says they also use the sun, air and water like us. There is no difference in the way we use them. They get crops from the field as we do. They like peace as we do. Here, war's long winter start. War is compared to winter season. He says during the war, they have to face hardship. They die due to starvation as we would have. Their hands are similar to us. They do hard work in the same way as we do. They also use their potential like us. So here he emphasized that if there is so many similarity among us, so why do we say they are strangers, they are foreigners? Let's move on to next danger. Remember, they have eyes like ours that wake or sleep, and strength that can be won by love. In every land is common life that all can recognize and understand. Here, they, whom we call strangers, have eyes like that of ours. They too see world like us. They sleep and wake like ours. They too are sensitive and they have strength like us. They can be won by love and affection. Life is common in every country. It can be recognized and understood easily. Let's move on to next ninja. Let us remember whenever we are told to hate our brothers, it is ourselves that we shall dispossess, betray, condemn. Remember, we who take arms against each other. Here, dispossesses means deprive, and betray means to cheat. So, here in this stanza, the poet says, some people among us destroying social and global harmony. They are provoking us to take arms against our brothers, to hate them, to kill them. If we do something wrong, poet says, if we do something wrong to our brothers, then we are harming our own spirits. We are cheating ourselves on doing this. We only disgrade our charm. Let's move on to next danger. It is the human earth that we defile. Defile means to pollute. Our hells of fire and dust outrage the innocence of air that is everywhere our own. Remember, no men are foreign and no countries strange. Outrage means to overcome or violate the purity of. Okay, so here in this stanza, the poet further says that taking arm against our brothers not only pollutes our earth, but it pollutes our spirit. But also it pollutes our spirit. Hell, our hell of fire here refers to the jealousy inside our heart. So poet says that the jealousy inside our heart kills innocent people. Air is clean everywhere in the earth, but when we take part in war, we commit a grave mistake. It pollutes our earth. Summing up all these, the poet is right in saying that no men are strange and no countries foreign. So that was the explanation of the poem. Let us see the poetic devices used in the poem. So first of all, enjambment is used in the poem. What is enjambment? When a sentence continues within two or more than two lines without punctuation mark, it is called enjambment. So, enjambment here. Next poetic device is here uniform stands for the uniform of military. Here metaphor, because there is a indirect comparison between two different things. Next poetic device is simile. Here single body, body is compared with the body of foreigners are compared with our bodies. So here simile. One more device is here body breathes, repetition of the same consonant sound, alliteration. Okay, now again in this statement, is earth like this? Earth is the land of foreign countries is compared to the land of our country. So here simile. Next ninja, here repetition of vowel sound, assonance. There is assonance in this sentence. Next, here war long winter stout. In this line, again metaphor, because wars are compared to winter season. In next India, here one thing also, remember word is repeated 5 times in the poem, so there is repetition also. Okay, our hells of fire. Here is also metaphor because it is compared to the jealousy of our inner heart. So that's all for the poem. Thank you.